Welcome to this ultra luxury renovated 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom European farmhouse home located in one of Dallas's most sought after neighborhoods, the coveted Prestonwood. This 5,100 square foot home is wrapped in hand-cut stone and has an elegant new stone paved driveway. Everything is new with high-end doors, windows, roof, and HVAC. And as you enter, you'll be amazed at the expansive interiors, which include 25-foot ceilings. There is designer lighting and a seamless flow for hosting. The fabulous great room is a perfect setting for lounging and dining. And I love this large dining area, which is great for hosting large dinner parties. The open skylit kitchen inspires culinary creativity with its leathered look granite island. There are marble counters and backsplash, white oak cabinetry, floating shelves, and premium appliances, including a Le Cornu stove. We're in the butler's pantry, which includes a 3-way water system, ice maker, microwave, and a Breville espresso machine. We have an awesome sitting area and a temperature-controlled wine cellar. The laundry room doubles as a laundry area with a pet wash. And now we're in the owner's retreat, which offers electric shades, wine fridge, and a Millie espresso machine. In the owner's retreat bathroom, there is a marble bath with a shower and steam room sauna. In here we have the mother-in-law suite / guest bedroom, which includes its own private bathroom, fireplace, and entrance to the pool area. Here on the second floor, we have an office, but my favorite part of this room is the hidden whiskey cigar room. Behind this barn door is a spiral staircase that leads to the second floor media room. This media room is equipped with projector and screen and state-of-the-art smart home controls of lights, AV, doors, alarms, thermostats, and shades. As we end our tour, leading outside of 8-foot stackable doors into our outdoor kitchen. There is a private fenced-in yard for entertaining, featuring a pergola-covered sitting area with outdoor TV, a cozy outdoor fire pit, and fully resurfaced sparkling pool with new equipment. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. Please contact me. I would love to show you any properties in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.